So hello everyone, my name is Kayode. So what we'll be doing on this tutorial is I'll be showing us how to color grade multiple pictures at a time, like 200 pictures, 100 pictures, 1000 pictures, 500 pictures at a time. There are times that you want to edit pictures that are large in number, and you have to go through them one by one or one after the other. So now I'll be teaching us how to use Python to do that, how to use Python to color grade large number of a picture at a time, so without any stress at all. Sometimes, especially a wedding picture, you want to take your time to edit some, and some at the same time you still want to edit them, but they are not that major picture. So you can use this particular Python code to do the color grading and convert it from CR2 to JPEG without any stress. Python is a programming language that is versatile in nature, and the purpose of Python and AI these days is to scale whatever we are doing to enhance our work, then to also give us more versatile ability to do something else faster, instead of spending time on a particular work. So this will enhance our work, give us more time. It will speed up the rate at which we work. It's going to give us more time, versatility. So I'm going to go into details now. So what you are seeing on my screen are the steps to follow to get this done. But before we follow these steps, there are two things we needed to install, which are Python. We're going to install Python on our system, and we're going to install PyCharm. PyCharm is like a tool we needed, to write code. But we're not going to be writing code. I'm going to drop the code on the YouTube, so you can download the code that you needed. So for us to start, let's go and download the tool that we needed. So the first thing, let's download Python. Go to python.org. Python.org. Enter. Oops. Let me fix my. So go to python.com. Let's go to, so click on this one, download for Windows. If you are not using Windows, download for Mac. You will see there. So it's downloading already, but I'm not going to download it because I have it installed already. So when you download it, just go to your download. Let's go to my download. So this is it. So you just download it. After downloading, just click on it to install. So click on run. It has no any issue in installing that. Just click next, and you install it. So that's that. I don't need to run it again. Then also the second thing we want to install is our PyCharm. To download the PyCharm, go to this place. Okay. PyCharm download. Can you see it? PyCharm. Then click enter. So to take it to JetBrains, so download PyCharm, the Python IDE for data science. So from here you click on download to, click on download. So it has started downloading, but I don't need it, so I'm going to cancel it. Then after that, go to your download again, your download folder. So this is it, PyCharm community. You click on it and you run it. So that's it. Hello guys, yeah, so this is step by step to color grading multiple images at a time using Python. Then you can also use it to convert your CR2 to JPEG at once. So this code will process all the images for you at a time. And the purpose of this code is, sometimes there are pictures that they are large in number, and sometimes it's difficult going through them one by one. So this code will assist you to do it perfectly. So now these are the things we are going to cover. We are going to be using Python. Python is gaining the world now, so you can actually use Python to achieve a lot of things. So when it comes to photography too, Python can assist you to do that. So let's go into the setup. So these are the things we'll be covering. We have setup and installation, then CR2 images and convert to JPEG, then apply color grading. So we are going to use it to apply tone, contrast, home, saturation, etc. Then save all the processed images. So step 1, we are going to install the required libraries using prompt, and we'll be doing that from command prompt. Then this is what we are going to install. This library one we are going to install. Then step 2 is to organize your folder and create a folder structure like this. I'm going to run you through it. You are going to have a main folder called project folder, then color grading code, which is Python code. That is why you see .py. So I'm going to drop the code for us. Then the images, your images, you are going to put them in the input images. So everything will now be inside project folder. Then step 3, full Python script. Then the Python script is going to be copied, pasted on the notepad. Then we are going to save it as colorgrading.py. Then we are going to drop it inside this folder. This is the structure here. Then put the color grading in project folder. Then make sure your images are in input folder. So let's start. So first, we have done some installation by installing Python and PyCharm on our system. So now the next thing is to install the library. So let's go and open our command prompt. cm. So these are our command. Sorry about that. So that we know our command prompt. So we're going to run this code. Just copy it, Ctrl C, then paste it here. Let's wait for it. It's trying to install. Make sure you have an internet. You must connect to internet before you can run this. It takes some seconds for this one to pick up, so let's wait for it. Okay, it's running now. when you are running this, make sure you have a stable internet. If your internet is bad, it's going to give you some issue. Make sure you have a good internet. The internet must be stable. So it's downloading the NumPy. The first one you downloaded was OpenCV Python. Okay, so now let's wait for it to properly finish. So let's go and run our, let's go and create our folder now. Step 2. So what are we doing now? We are going to create a main folder called project folder. So let's go to our desktop. Project underscore folder. I'm going to have so now here is our code. There is a code. So this code now, this is the code we want to run. So just it's on Notepad. So we are going to save it as color grading .py. So let's save it on desktop. Okay, so let's close it. So these are color grading.py now. So now you see that it's changing to this icon. This is PyCharm that we installed initially from the beginning. We downloaded this one, we installed it. So just push it inside the project folder. Okay, now let's open our project folder. So this is a picture we want to use. Okay, let me use this. Okay, so let's rename this to, I can actually leave it at select, but I want us to follow the structure that I drew in that Notepad. Input, so it doesn't confuse us. You can actually name your own anything, but in the code you must use the name that you use. Input images. Then let's create another folder. That's where the output images. So all the images that will be processed will be moved to, we go inside output, or let's use processed images. Processed img. Okay, processed img. Okay, now let's now go to our code. Okay, let's open our code. So inside this folder now, we know we have color grading. So let's open this color grading. make sure your path name is very correct. You see, we created input folder on the system, and we are using input folder equals to user.desktop.aff. So I have to change this now. So on the desktop, where do I have it? I have it in, okay, if you don't know how to do that, let me teach you the best way to do that. So where is that folder? So where is your image? Your image is inside the input folder. Just click this input folder, then click here, just copy directly like this, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, then come back to your code here. So from the C, just paste like this. Did you see? Make sure you don't touch this apostrophe that is here, then paste. Correct. Then your output folder. What is the output folder? Output folder is back. So which is our processed image. You are also going to make sure you copy that one too. It's not very hard. In fact, it's not even hard at all. Your output folder is processed image. Processed image. So just change this one to, it's already in an input folder, your output. So just change this one to underscore ing. Make sure the name is correct. If it's not correct, Python is going to run and generate a error code for you. So let me check. It's telling me that something is wrong. Okay, I think my spelling is not correct. So let me just copy it directly like this, because any mistake inside it will generate error. Okay, then make sure you save. Ctrl S, I've saved like that. So I think our code is ready to run. So now you're not going to run this code here, you're going to run it from your command prompt here. Okay, now this one has finished installing. So when you finish installing, it will give you an entrance to enter prompt again. So it's done now. So we can run our code. So now this is how to run our code. Everything is set here. You can see that we don't have entrance to run a new code. So this is how to run the code and process the image. So let's go to our folder. So now these are color grading folder. So inside this folder, this is what you're going to do. Click here, enter C M D, press enter. Now it's going to open something like this for you, a new command prompt. So you have to run the code. Let me retry that again. come to this folder. Make sure you're on this folder where you have your color grading. Then come to this place, enter CNT, press enter. Now we are going to type Python manage .py. Okay, hold on. So sorry, the first code I ran was wrong, so we are supposed to run Python. Sorry, I have too many code that I'm mixing up together. Python, then it's going to be color grading.py and press enter. So let's wait for it. So now what this code we do is that it's going to work on those pictures on that folder using this color grading.py, which is the code. So we are running it from the command prompt. It's going to start work. Can you see now? I have 85 pictures in that folder. So it's going to pick them one by one, color grade it, and convert it from CR2 to JPEG. So let's wait for it. So it has started 1/85, 2/85. So let's wait for it. So like now I can easily drop my system to go and do something else. So I'm going to drop my system. So now I can even show you the picture. Let's go and check the folders in the picture. Let's see what's going on with them. This is the project folder and this is the processed image. So let's open it and see. Okay, you can see the system created its own process image and it's moving them here. So this is it. So sorry, I'm not supposed to have created the process image, so it's going to create it on its own folder. So let's wait for it to finish. I don't know why it's creating it on its own, but probably from the code. Probably I did not change the part in the code very well. So let's check if it is in JPEG. Okay, can you see? Can you see that the picture has been converted to JPEG? So it's working on them, dropping them one by one. So this is what we call batch processing. Processing a large number of images at a time using Python. So this is what we are doing. And sometimes there are some wedding pictures that you want to take your time to edit the major ones, and like there are some that you don't really have time to to sit down, but you still want to edit them. You can quickly use this code, the Python color grading, to do that. So the purpose of Python these days and AI is to speed our work, to enhance whatever we are doing, to give us more speed in whatever we are doing. So editing a picture takes a lot of time, but with this you can buy some time. So as you can see, I've been away for some time, so the pictures have been processed, color graded. So let's check. So can you see from this place now, from the command prompt, saying all 85 has been put, all picture, all done, all image processed. So it's expecting us to enter another prompt, but we are done. So let's open our pictures and see. So you can try this on your own. So this is what we call automation. So let's open a picture and see. Okay. So these are just like a conference picture or a seminar picture. So there's nothing much about the picture. But I don't really have time to start sitting down and be doing much editing on it. So most time I just use Python to just to edit it. And for wedding picture, you want to do it perfectly. So you can try this out. You can try it out on your